Alright guys, I'm back. So y'all see what's going on right here? We got a new DOD deactivation system which was wanted. I believe this was the major problem to what was going on. I guess this side right here is cylinder 7 side. I'm not quite 100% sure how all of this really, works when it's in there. But as I said, this is the old one. No, that's the new one. This is the old one right here. So as y'all can see, it's been through some ish. So yeah, I'm gonna get into it and get everything back together, get everything reprogrammed, relearned, and we go see what happens. So y'all already know the vibes. Renzel is going into surgery, like I said, and I'm about to perform the surgery on the worst day in the planet, which is the blizzard. So I'm going to be performing all this in the blizzard, in the midst of the blizzard. So all right, stay tuned. I'm gonna put y'all on a time lapse while I get this all back together, and then we're gonna talk about it when I'm done. Alright guys, new valley cover is in. As y'all can see, everything is torqued to 18 foot-pound. All the harnesses is connected, the O2, not the O2, the oil pressure sensor, and the DOD harness is plugged in. So now is to put back on the intake. So I'm just gonna pull these tissues out of here, and let's get this intake in, torqued back. Ooh, piece of tissue right here. We don't need that. Falling over. Get all of this back in, guys. And the funny thing, guys, is I was here already and I'm back in here again. So I could have did this the first time because I seen the valley cover was looking a little super dirty and I just ignored it. I was confused. I ain't paid no mind and I'm doing it again. All right, so to get this in here, let's see. So the intake, guys, is a little corny going back in, as always, as you already know. It be looking easy, but it's not always easy. So hold on, should I move it with this thing here? So I got it. I gotta turn it in straight there. Nah, I can't. Nobody can help me with this one. I gotta figure this out. How it going like this. So guys, as y'all can see, new gaskets. Gasket all new. Everything is pretty much brand new. When you're doing this, it's always recommended that you put in new gaskets, and this is OEM gaskets, so this is not the cheap stuff, guys. All right, so now it's just I'm gonna sit this back in here. One thing I didn't do, I didn't remove the bolts, because if I could get it in, sit in there perfect, then I wouldn't have to put each individual bolt in. Save me some trouble. So let me see now. This thing is not super easy to get in. This is like putting the head in. The head is not easy to get in as it look. So just kind of breaks it in. I got the harness here. It be looking easy, but it ain't easy. Let's kind of get this stuff out the way. And see how I can get this in here, guys. Seat it properly. And let's see. Yeah. I usually take it out, but I ain't want to take it out. I got it out without it. Alright, so. And let's see. Nah, I ain't just push it in. I got it going from an angle. Something's in my way. Something's in my way. Come on, guy. I guess that's why they told me to take that top piece off. And I ain't listening.
Well, you know they nut that thing. That is screwed up in there.
Let's see. Fucking harness. Let me see. Gotta shift it over. Okay. Let's see what's in my way, guys. Let's go. Come on. Alright. Got some traction here. Let's see how he's sitting. Some stuff out my way here. Like that. Okay. Now let's sit it down flush. Just get it to where I guess this side looks okay. This side don't look okay. This side looks off. Alright, this side looks cool. Okay, I think we got it, guys. See all bolts sitting up, tough. I think we in alignment. I think we in alignment. One, two. Here we look, but I don't like how this side is sitting. It's not sitting good. It look like it's sitting good, but see too much gaps. See that little gap. I think. Let's see. Make sure the intake is sitting good. Alright guys, let me see if I can catch it now with the machine. I think it's, yeah. Let's see if I can catch it. Where is my... Nah, yeah, I'm gonna catch. Hold on. Alright guys, I'm gonna put you on a quick time lapse so I'll try to get this together. Cause my battery's actually dying for some reason. Alright guys, so I finally got the intake manifold back in. So that's back in, and now it's to really get everything kind of, all the hoses, the lines, everything buttoned back up. So we got some motion. We almost there, almost there, almost there. So I just want to show y'all where I'm at. I gotta connect back all the harnesses, as I said, plugs, everything. everything lingering on the side of the belt and all that. So just want to show y'all where I'm at and where we going, and then we go take it from there. So y'all know I got to put y'all on another time lapse because I don't want to bore y'all with putting all this stuff back in. Alright guys, so I got the alternator torqued, I got everything torqued, I got everything put on, everything plugged in. I got to put the belt on now. So let me get my ratchet and let's get this serpentine belt back on. I didn't fully take it off, so let's see how this is gonna work. I didn't fully take it off when it came on. So over there. Over there. Close the belt. Renzel. Like this. Like this. Like this. Alright. I believe it runs under here. No, it goes on top of here. It runs underneath here. Like that. Alright. Line this up. And then it runs over there. To swing this back shoe, which I'm not going to be able to. You know what, guys, I messed up, so I gotta put it over the pulley first. That's exactly what I gotta do. I gotta go over the pulley first. So this gotta come out. Goes over the pulley. Then it goes here. Then I can put it up here. Right? I think that's kind of how we got it there. This is the tension on. Pull it back. Right. Here to go down more. Now what happened is, I think I should have used an extension. Because, I think that little bit of click right there just did it for me. I need to see it right here. So make sure this is not on. Everything is good now. Yep. Alright, belt is on. Everything is lined up. Tension. Alright, that's all in, guys. So let me just do a quick double check on make sure everything is. The only thing I forgot, which I always know, is this. I gotta do the fuel line. So this right here, this corny, which I don't like it because it's just jams up on this shit. But can't do nothing about that. Just a lot of little things to double check, make sure everything is screwed in like this. Absence of harness is on top of here where I guess it's supposed to be. That's here. This right here I'm not even putting tight because it don't make no sense. Let's just move that down. And the last of the Mohicans, people, is the fuel line. Let's disconnect that back so we can get some gas. This thing is like once you connect it, I don't have to I had to rent the disconnect tool for that. Yeah, I don't have it. It's a tool to disconnect that. So that's why I always do that last. So everything is snug back in, people. Intake, so now is just to put the snorkel back on. So alright, I'm comfortable to put the fuel line back in. Click. Got gas. Got gas, people, and everything looks good. Everything looks back together. And as I said, the only thing I have to put on is this, and I'm gonna put it on right now. And that's the snorkel. And this one goes into something like this. Oh, I gotta connect the PCB back. Yeah, so I make sure I connect that back in. And this basically goes down here. Let's see if we can fit this in a little bit here. Let's get this line up here a little bit. That one is in. And I gotta fully get this one in right here. That's in. Let's get it tightened up. And let me see if I have the piece of. You way over there. Let me see. Come over here. The lens here. This is sure this is good. I forgot to tighten this last time. Yep. Oh, this thing is dead. Damn, man. It finally went dead. Gotta do it the old school way, people. The machine, I guess I never really charge it, so that's why I kind of went dead on it. Something like this. So, back to the manual way. That's not a problem because I know how to do it the manual way. It's just the fact that you know this is like real quick when you go. Alright, so look good, looking good, people. Make sure this is snugged in good. That's good. Can't forget this. PCB. That's in there. And I think we look good, people. So now the last thing is to basically put it on the box. Let me just double check my oil like I should. I ain't checked the oil in a while. Oil looks decent. It just changed. Yep, oh, that's all good. Use this real quick. So, all right, I'll get back with y'all in a minute. All right, guys. So now I'm going to start up. First, start up. From all the work done from the surgery, we gonna start it up, crank it up, see what it do. Turn this light off. Wish me luck. All right, Renzel is started. Running. We running. So everything right is good. Now we gotta put it on the scanner. And I'm gonna relearn the throttle body. And I'm gonna hit the deactivation system. So let's take a look real quick. Let's get this. See what the inside of the dashboard is looking like, people. See what we got going on here. And just a low tire. I got a low tire as always. So just gonna let it run for a little bit. And then I'm actually gonna put the box on it and let it do what it do. Let it do what it do. Alright, I'll tap back in with y'all in a minute.